Mr. Madness here again with another G1 surprise surprise Transformers video. This time it is the Decepticon Target Master Misfire, released 1987 with 5 other Target Masters, the others being Trigger Happy, Slugslinger, Sure Shot, Point Blank, and Crosshairs. There you go. Almost forgot them. This one was the last one I had left to find, and unfortunately it was in a bit of bad condition because his front piece canopy, or you call it, was broken off, but we managed to fix it so it's in one piece. Can't really find it in one piece on eBay. Even poor old Aimless is a bit busted, so I've had to use blue tack. I don't know what Americans call it, blue tack, sticky putty, blue tack, whatever, but to keep him on. Stairs Aimless. His transformation is a bit like, well, logically, his transformation is a bit like Trigger Happy and Slugslinger. His hands will retract into his forearms. It's a pretty big figure when it's all out. Let me just show you. It's huge, bigger than a robot, and much like Trigger Happy, his legs fold almost half the way up his body. But that is, yeah, I like that. It's a Cybertronic jet. I think I've said it numerous times. 1987, even 1986, where the whole robots in disguise motif sort of went out the window. I mean, that's not an everyday vehicle. It's not an every night vehicle either. But there is Aimless. What do you expect? He's new at this. Poor old blue tack just holding his. I mean, it's not completely damaged, but you know, don't damage it anymore. And they're all fitted with these ports where they can fit his. The only thing that annoyed me is they released Hot Rod 3 times in 2 years. So they released Hot Rod as he is, then they released Rodimus Prime, whichever came first. Then the next year, 1987, they released Target Master Hot Rod. And that's not just limited to him either. It is Blur and Cup and Scourge and Cyclonus all became Target Masters, though not in Japan. Scourge and Cyclonus were replaced by repaints and remolds of Inferno and Jazz called Ricochet and Artfire. So they were different colours. But they, even in Japan, I don't think even the Autobots became Target Masters. Like Cup and Blur and Hot Rod never became Target Masters. Not the Japanese headmasters anyway. But obviously he's got a lot of, back to Misfire by the way, a lot of business going on in the back. Just to stop his gun from falling to pieces. Don't know if you can see it right, because yeah, there it is. Not in good condition, but you win some, you lose some. Just fit him where he can. Oh yeah, his arms do. Yeah, one of the rare ones where his arms actually do move up and down. So slot that in. Yeah, nice colour scheme. Black and pink, salmon pink, whatever. And let's just stop him, lean him forward. But yes, 1987 released Misfire. It's kind of an odd name to give a target master. Misfire. Trigger happy Slugslinger, yes, but you know, there is Misfire, and thank you for watching.